Righto, I just can't seem to get the bloody recording, the sound going on these stupid things, but, you know, trust me, I'm a mechanic. I will get there. Anyway, drone flight number 4. And I'm just going to do a little bit of twixt the trees here, sharpen up my driving chops, and go and show you what I reckon is one of the biggest, that was close, one of the biggest Manna Gum trees I reckon I've ever seen. This here little patch of ground, this little river flat here. Ooh, another closey. I haven't got the steering down right yet. This here, not that one right in front of us, but the straight one in behind there. I reckon that's a Manna Gum, and I reckon it's one of the biggest Manna Gummeries I've ever seen. I reckon that squat gnarly bastard in the foreground, I reckon that's River Red Gum, classic River Red Gummery. Old bastard. Would have been here before us white fellas got here. And then there's that one. I reckon that's a Manna Gum, mate. Good wood. I've had lots of firewood off that bastard when it drops limbs. That's 6 years ago. I got a nice big limb out of that bastard. Huge. Just huge. Absolutely huge. These drone things are amazing, aren't they? Like, wow. Wow. How can you sit up the top of a bloody Manna Gum tree easily? I'm an idiot. I am an idiot, but I love it. I love it when a plan comes together. It's a very healthy tree, in good nick. Oh, it's a magic part of the world here, mate. Round here is the land of milk and honey. If you can't survive in this part of the world, mate, you'd never survive anywhere. Look at that. This is the beekeeper in me. That there tree is budding up like mad, mate. That might be a good bee tucker this year. That one. We shall see. Nearly crashed it. That's that hairy bit of red, that gnarly red gum in the front I was talking about. Or maybe not. It might have been the Manna Gum. Doesn't matter. I just realised it's a fabulous beekeeping tool. Work out the budding slash flowering status of the trees without having to use binoculars. Bit of artistic trunkery going on there. Show us your trunk. Show us your trunk, said the pachyderm to the tiger. Show us your trunk. Of course the tiger didn't have a trunk. He said, I'll show you me tail, mate. I'll show you me tail. Now I'm just going to try and slide up We'll give you a visual perspective of how big this sucker is. And as you'll see, we have a bit of a crash. What about now? Drone says, nah, I'm out of here, mate. I'm out of here. I'm landing. Bugger you. I'm not playing here, mate. You screwed me. You mucked me up. I just can't work it all out. I'm getting out of here, mate. I'm just going to land. Bugger you. And so that, since the stalked a bit, the drone just made up its own mind and said, I'm going to ground. And there we are. On the ground. Amazing. What an amazing world. Thing just automatically does its own flying. Just can't believe it. There you go. Enjoy.